Xiaomi T14 Pro camera.
This smartphone can record all the way to 4K 60 frames per second, but from the wide angle lens only 4K 30. This is wide angle 0.6. Video stabilization. You can compare this video to any other smartphone, same place, different time. Well, video stabilization look really good. The vlogging style, this is how it's going to look like. Let's continue. Let's continue to 60 frames per second. But before we do that, autofocus, is it available? No, it is not available in wide angle lens. So fixed focus. And finally 60. So we will have a smooth action. Nice. And vlogging style, if you want to vlog from the main lens in 60, maybe you could, but it's very narrow. Alright. Telephoto. 2x. 3x. Alright. It appears to me that in the 6x, it's an all electronic zoom. Maybe we don't have the option to switch lenses during the recording. You cannot switch lenses during recording, starting from 2x. You can go all the way to 6, 10, 15. A bit blurry, but way further. And we're back to the main lens. Let me go to another side of that bridge. That's my ride. Do we have autofocus in the main lens? Yes, we do. And it is okay, I guess. Not too quick, not too slow. Medium. Can we do macro? Not really. Well, yeah, we can, but with a zoom. Front-facing camera. Maximum resolution is 4K 30 frames per second, full length of my arm. Is it going to overexpose the sky? It will, greatly. And when I'm out of the frame, should compensate. See? Bam! Oh, that's quick. Do we have autofocus in front-facing camera? We don't. I will definitely add some noise cancellation to this video because it's like too loud. Maybe in time I will find a better place to do those tests. So there you go. What else do we have in the camera?
Starting with a Pro, we do have Pro for the photo and the video. And in the photo, 50 megapixels. That's something which you want, which we all want. Let's check that 50 megapixel picture. Oh yeah, tons of data, tons of it. That's really nice. Going back very quickly. And for the video, we do have log if you wanted to. If you want to shoot in log, that is the option for it. All kinds of different options. There's a movie mode for like a cinematic experience. Of course, we do have LUTs and filters. Many of them. Alright, going back. In the video department, we can zoom all the way to 15x. With HDR, is only the main lens, is it? No. All the lenses. That's really good. Same filters. In the photo department, you can zoom a bit further, but 30x. But that's electronic zoom, so nothing too fancy. Maybe if I place the camera on something else, maybe in that building, or this BMW. Yeah. Portrait. Bam. Then maybe with a different background. Bam. Oh, it looks really nice. Look at the cutouts. Very good. Portrait mode. Amazing. With the same filters, if you wanted to. Alright, let's move on. We do have documents. What should we scan? Is there anything here to scan? Bam! And how good this will be? Very good, very good. It's all readable Nice. And we do have slow motion, director mode, and dual video. Dual video is super cool because you can record at the two cameras at the same time for vlogging or stuff like that. You see? That is nice. Okay, maybe like this with some background. Yeah. All right. Let's continue. Director mode. And with director mode, you do have a very nice placement for the buttons. So the shutter button is very close to your fingers, so it's easy to operate. You can control the camera with the monitor, or you can add a second camera. Of course, we do have all kinds of resolutions, all the way to 4K 60 frames per second. And there's also a log and LUTs and filters. Tons of them. All right, that's most of the features. Let me show you some samples. Photo samples. Selfies are great in this device. Wow, look at the cutouts. That is brilliant. It will oversaturate the image just a tiny amount, like 5%. That's basically enough, and you can do magic in post-production, of course, with all of the pictures. But the key thing, that is a 1.6 light, and 1.6 is very bright. And there it is, and it's like a night vision. I love it. That is great. Do remember that the only main lens is 1.6, and for example, wide angle is way darker, so we do have a little bit of, yeah, like you can see, a little bit of noise. But if we switch to the main 1.6, you will see that difference. There it is. It's a night and day difference. Brilliant difference. Just use the 1.6, the main lens, for night photo and night video, and it will be awesome. Conclusion: this device has a pro camera. It's not the ultimate camera like the smartphones with an ultimate name, but it's a pro. So it's really good. Very bright. That's all I got. See you next video. Bye.